Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser, and then evenly apply toner. Saturate cotton pads with cuticle softener and apply them to the forehead, nose, and chin. Scrubber application, intensive cleansing and oil regulation. Settings. Time, 3 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, default. Keep the convex surface of the scrubber facing outward, move it upward from the chin, and wipe the treatment area with a disposable cotton pad during operation. Move the scrubber from the right temple towards the left temple, ensuring the entire forehead is covered. Abrasion application, deep cleansing and control of excess oil. Settings. Time, 5 minutes. Solution selection, choose from A, B, C, D, H2, O2, bottles based on the recipient's skin condition. Water flow, adjust according to the recipient's treatment needs. Suction, adjust according to the recipient's skin tolerance. Begin treatment at the chin area, treating 2 to 3 spots before connecting them in a line. Repeat this process for other facial areas. Apply additional treatment on the nose using circular motions. During operation, wipe the treated area with a damp cotton pad. Cleanse the face with a cleansing wipe. Spray application, additional cleansing, hydrating, and moisturizing. Settings. Duration, 5 minutes. Solution, prepare the mini flask by mixing toner and serum in a 10:1 ratio and shaking thoroughly for proper blending. Glide the handle from the chin to the earlobe, from the corner of the mouth to the midpoint of the ear, from the side of the nose to the temple, and from the eyebrow to the hairline. RF treatment, lifting and firming. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, default. Evenly apply RF cream to the face. Glide the handle across 3 facial areas, move upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Cleanse the face with a cleansing wipe. Ultrasound application, infusing nutrients and enhancing skin circulation. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, default. Apply serum to the facial area. Glide the handle from the chin to the earlobe, from the corner of the mouth to the midpoint of the ear, from the side of the nose to the temple, and from the eyebrow to the hairline. Cold application, soothes the skin and enhances circulation. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Apply serum to the facial area. Move the handle in circular motions across 3 facial areas, glide upward along the chin, sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek, and lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Cleanse the face with a cleansing wipe. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, essence, eye cream, and facial cream.